Hi there, everybody. Now let me introduce myself. I'm Tangle Legs, the sound my damn hell. You know, sometimes I sit and think about just what makes me tick. My mother, my country, I guess they're alright, but I kind of see things in a different light. And people out there in high-fi land, please try to understand. When I hear a V8 purr, I set my eyes on a pretty little girl. I get lump in my throat and I freeze at the knees, 'cause I got gold teenage disease. I love cars and girls. I love cars and girls. I love cars and girls and girls and cars and cars and girls and cars. I went out to find a job for me. I make a contribution to society. I met a man behind a big old desk. He said, "Hey boy, what do you do best?" Well, I jumped on his desk, said what I do best is on Friday night you can get the rest. I love cars and girls. I love cars and girls. I love cars and girls and girls and cars and cars and girls and cars. You know, folks, I used to sit at home on a Friday night, and I used to wonder, what can I do to amuse myself? So I bought me a big yellow car, and I used to cruise on down the main street, and I wave and smile to all the girls. They wave and smile right back at me. Well, my daddy says I'm son so low. He said the girls take a money and the girls take a soul. All right, come and get it, girls. Might don't step in that oil slick. Well, I'm